Okay guys, so this is the buyer side of the Surejobz app. So basically we have the menus right here, and if I log out, you can see what the seller side looks like. This is a dashboard for the seller side. The menu is similar, but it's pretty much different from the buyer side in terms of functionality. So let me go back to the buyer side because this is the area where we generate more revenue. This is these are the clients that would look for service sellers and hire them. Okay, so by default, my location is in Dublin, Ireland, and if I want to change my location, all I need to do is go here and, for example, say I want to look for a service in Nigeria, and I change my location to Nigeria. Everything here under services near you would be services and skills in Nigeria, closest to my proximity. If I was in Lagos, if my address was Lagos, then I'll be getting services close to Lagos. And if I don't get any in Lagos, it will start going further out and ultimately cover the whole of Nigeria. So if I was looking for a social media marketing professional, for example, I could just easily click this. And then a couple of profiles will come up. And then I can choose from those profiles. If I change my location to the United Kingdom, for example, I could ultimately also look for maybe a proofreader, and some profiles will come up and I can choose from those profiles. So this is my location by default. If I was looking for, say, I could go to view all, where I can see all the services, and say I'm looking for maybe a content writer. So here you can see a content writer that has been hired and has been rated. That's why you see this rating criteria here. So let's see, say for example, trying to rehire this content writer, given that they have some kind of rating that shows they've done a job before and they've been rated on punctuality, tidiness, courtesy, expertise. And I say get contact. It takes me to the subscription screen where I can decide what level of subscription I want: bronze, silver, or gold. So let's say I want to subscribe to bronze, which is €2 per month, recurring. I could easily pay via PayPal, by launching PayPal and just logging in with your PayPal credentials, or pay directly with credit card. So we've made all this super easy, and it tells you exactly what you're paying for and when it's starting. So this is the use of PayPal here. So this is basically how the buyer side works, right? And there are a couple of things we can go through here. Maybe the rating screen, which shows sellers that I have contacted before and rated. This is the notification screen. Again, the subscription screen. And there's an ad screen here as well. We have a profile. We have the FAQ. This is where you learn everything that you need to know about how the app works. There's a help and support screen where you can contact us, basically. And you have the About Us, which tells us pretty much what Surejobz is about. And we have a privacy and policy screen as well. So what I'll do is I'll log out just to take you to the sign up interface so you see what that looks like. So I could just click sign up here and I go through the process of signing up as a service seller, or I click on this radio button and it signs me up as a service buyer. So the sign up process for service sellers and buyers are different. The process is similar but different. So I'm logging in again by as a buyer, and this is my profile. So again here I could easily search. Maybe I'm looking for an SEO specialist. You can see how it's searching that out for me, and the same is true here for services near you. So I could use that button. We have the promoted category here, and these are for sellers who promote their category, maybe sellers who don't have a rating yet, or they just want to have an extra visibility. As you can see, it's at the top of the fold of the screen, and I could easily say, okay, I'm clicking this. So regardless of the location, this is where you can advertise your profile, and you can see this is a virtual assistant based in Oregon, United States. This is my contact screen. Any contact I select after subscribing will automatically appear here, and then they would disappear after a month, so you can reselect them. So this is Surejobz app. This is what the buyer side looks like. I'm encouraging you to sign up today and look for any service that you can think of, because we have over 95 service categories. So we've covered quite a lot, and we're listening to our customers. We're getting feedback. If there's a category with high demand, we will include that category. All you need to do is use the help and support screen to contact us. So as you can see, we also run display ads. If you place an ad through the app, it runs on the app, and that gives you exposure to people who might be looking for your service that you are advertising to. So with that, I wrap this little demo up. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.